On the road to being rich in 2024, attracting that money. Here are 3 websites that are going to go ahead and make us over $500 a month. Y'all let me know what you think of them. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We go on crazy each and every day. I'm giving y'all heat content. Let me know what y'all think of these websites. Let's start it up. So the first one you see, this is VIP Kid or the VIP Kid. You dig me? And this one is going to pay you $14 to $22 per hour to teach kids English. Do you understand? So imagine if you're sitting at home in your pajamas. A lot of y'all I know are teachers. I know teachers by first name that are super cool. Y'all dope. Y'all be going on the weekends turning up and shit too, but you don't like going to that school. You don't like the stuff that the school teaches. You don't know what to teach. But a lot of you are scared to leave the school. But I got a solution for you. So when you scroll down, you get to teach what you want. So I'm gonna dive in to the curriculum. I'm gonna dive into how to become a teacher in here. I'm gonna go into the payment, etc. Watch this. So you can teach when you want because you can make your own hours. So it says here, when we say flexible, we mean it. So when you see right here, they're flexible, we scroll down and 25-minute classes, bro. So you don't even have to teach for a whole hour. So you teach for 25 minutes. So you can teach almost 3 classes in an hour. Flexible hours and location. There's no minimum hour commitment. You can work as little or as long as you like, and you can make your own schedule by setting up your teaching availability in advance. So that way the app or the software will never schedule you for when you do not want to work. Now that's the first thing. Now the other thing that has me curious, because I know y'all gonna ask me, is, well, what are the requirements? Am I a teacher in real life? If you're a teacher in real life, you automatically gonna qualify. But let's see what it has here for the requirements. So you see the website also is crispy. It says ready to teach. Let's see if you're eligible. We scroll down and it says here, teaching experience. We recommend that you have at least 2 years of teaching and or tutoring, coaching, or mentoring. So you don't even have to be a professional teacher at a school, but if you have any experience, it says 2 years tutoring, coaching, mentoring. This could be online. This could be whatever way you do it, you can teach here. Bachelor's degree. You must have obtained a 4-year degree from a university. Great news is this can be in any field or any major. So if you're one of them people that got a degree that doesn't matter at all, like communications or liberal arts, you're in luck. Then you see you have to have work authorization in the US or in Canada. So this job opportunity is only for the US and for Canada. And reliable technology. So you must have, and it shouldn't be a shocker, these are virtual classes. So you have to have a few technical things like a computer. Okay, a laptop, an iPad, shit like that. You can click technical requirements to go more into it, but what you should know is that you can teach anywhere in the nation, US or Canada. You can be at your home, you can be outside the gym, wherever you want to be, however you want to theme your classes, up to you. The lesson plans is up to you because our curriculum team has already designated materials for every class, so you don't have to if you don't want to make that curriculum, or you can opt to use your own. And the dope thing also is you set your own schedule. You teach as many or as little hours as you want. And it says here that we offer full English immersion for our students. So there's no need to know any Chinese. So this is for my Chinese speaking people that are watching this. Just know, if you know English and you want to teach kids, you could do it here with VIP Kid. Another way at number 2, we're going to start earning or attracting some money is inbox dollars. Yes, this one is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. This one is surveys, okay? Now, they're going to be paying you for your opinions. You live in America, you got a lot of opinions. You got opinions about shit you don't even know about or doesn't even impact you. This, as you see right here, you can get 50 cents per an opinion, 10 cents. You can get $5 for confirming your email address. You confirm your first paid email, another special offer. So there's plenty of ways to get paid. And as we scroll down, you see you can get paid for playing games. Playing games can get you up to 150 bucks. Look at this. $290 earning up. So all you're going to do is do a bunch of different surveys and earn money on them. And there's even another way on the back end that you can earn money by referring people to it. So as you start to make money by playing games, and your friends gonna be like, bro, how you keep earning money? How are you doing that? When you get your own custom link like mine, you get them to sign up for it, and guess what? You earn $3 for every referral. So you get 10% of your referral earnings for life. So as long as they stay with the company, you're going to get 10% of everything they earn. And if you want to try this, make sure you click up using my referral link. Let's go to number 3. And last, but certainly not least, at number 3 is usertesting.com. If you've heard of this, let me know. If you have not, you're welcome. This right here has made people I know money. I got plenty of these videos coming out for y'all, so do not worry. But this has made people money. It's pretty simple. You're going to boost your monthly income or use it as a side hustle by giving your opinion. You're going to test the UI, UX of things. You're going to test video games. You can see, you can apply right here. You submit your email. It's going to have you take a practice test. Next, you browse, you answer any of the screening questions because the screening questions are very important. The screening questions are going to determine which surveys you're available for. You feel me? These are all super simple surveys. Some of them are a few minutes, some of them are an hour. Then you're going to have to take your test. Now, this is sharing your perspective via test to see who you match with and which brands to best pair you with. Now you start making money because you're going to do different types of tests and your feedback is going to get you paid. But I want to show you some of the companies that they work with. Canva, GoDaddy, Alaskan Airlines, bro, HP. You dig what I'm saying? These are real things. You can see the testimonials from the people. And you're just simply just going to get paid for your perspective. So usertesting.com is at number 3. And these three things, pardon me, if we do them cumulatively or the right way, we can earn upwards of $500 per week. And that has been the video. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you've tried any of these websites. Do they work for you? Do I have any teachers in the comments? Let me know if you're a teacher. You want to leave the school system and you want to work mobily and get some paper? Let me know. Like the video. Make sure you go ahead and check out my social media digital marketing agency right there below in the description. I'm going to show you how to get paid leads. You need your appointment set. You need automation. You need AI integrated into your business. You want to grow on social media with proven AI software. I got you. I'm the dude for that. Until next time, you dig. We making money each and every day in every way. Tell your auntie and your sister I said, what up? Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You dig.